Here's this squirrel that likes to say hello. I wonder, oh, did he just shut up? Hello? Oh, there you are. I don't know if you can see him, but he's in this tree. Hello. He likes talking. Trying to like triangulate him, but hello. Oh, there he is. Hey, buddy. He's very talkative, and I thought it was because I was gardening. I guess he's just like this. Hello. How are you doing today? Hello. Yeah, that's all.